Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We're just going to take a look at a channel called Nick Invests. Now, what did this channel do? It made $10.1 thousand in a month. How? Because it's a high RPM niche. And in every video, it used the same character. But what did it do? It simply educated people on how you can invest and make money. This niche, known as the finance niche, is a very high RPM niche. When you search YouTube for high RPM niche channels, many YouTubers have guided you in many ways to earn by creating high RPM faceless channels. But they all talked about paid tools. Today I want to show you how you can make these kinds of videos 100%. No, not 100%. I'll say 101% free. I'll show you how you can make these videos and earn $9,000 to $10,000 in a month. First of all, let's come to the prompt. When I've prepared a master prompt for you for the finance niche, just like the niche I showed you, what you need to do is simply copy it. Once copied, go to ChatGPT. When you're on ChatGPT, just paste it. No need to write anything else. Simply paste it and press the enter button. When you hit enter, you'll see ChatGPT start working. In just a few seconds, not minutes, ChatGPT will generate a prompt for you. You'll see it generate a unique character look and all 10 images with a consistent character. In each prompt, the character is included, like debt stress, empty wallet, salary gone fast, covering different situations. It gave you separate picture prompts and then separate video prompts. In videos, it gave you a hook, how to start, the problem, and how to solve the problem, so you don't need to do anything. I've brought you everything ready-made and 100% free. First, I showed you the channel, and you know ChatGPT is free. Now let's start and move on to the next step. So first of all, let's talk about how we'll generate images. We need a tool that gives us perfectly tailored images. For that, we'll use Flow AI. Now, when you log in with any Gmail, it gives you 120 free credits. But the magic is the Nano Banana tool. It's absolutely free, no credits required. This tool allows you to generate as many images as you want without any cost. The best part? There are no restrictions. You can generate 1 image, 10 images, or even 1,000 images. There's no limit. Now, when it comes to quality, you can select up to 2K resolution for free. For most HD videos, 2K is more than enough. If you really want 4K, you'd need to upgrade. But honestly, 2K is perfect for your needs. All you need to do is paste your prompts, and the tool will generate images perfectly suited to your situation, whether it's saving, salary gone fast, or any scenario we've discussed. The tool will follow your style, matching your niche, with a slight creative twist, but not enough to worry about any strikes. After generating, you just click and download in 2K quality easily. And remember, you can generate unlimited images, whether that's 50 or 100, no stress. So Nano Banana is completely free, and you have all the creative control. Once you've got your images downloaded, we'll move on to the next tool. Because as I promised, I'm not just telling you 100%, I'll tell you 110% free. So stay tuned for the next step where we create videos for free as well. Okay, so as I promised, I'm going to tell you about a free AI tool where you can download or create videos absolutely free with no credits. Let's head to Meta AI. I've shown you this tool before, but today I'm making this video because the tool has changed. Previously, it only provided 480p, but now it gives you full 1080 HD quality. All you do is upload a picture, paste the prompt, and click Create Video. Once you click Animate, it'll take just about a minute, sometimes even less, depending on your internet speed. But it never takes more than a minute. Once it starts generating, just wait and look at the quality. The video quality is amazing. I know it only generates a 5-second video, but don't worry, keep watching because I'll show you how to extend that to 8 or 9 seconds. Once it's done, come back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, upload your second picture, and paste the exact prompt that matches the image. Then again, within 1 minute, it will generate a fantastic video, just like you want. Now, as I showed you, the channel used similar videos. I'll also show you how to extend that 5-second video to 8 or 9 seconds. Just click on the video, and on the right side, you'll see the extend option. Click it. No credits, no charges, no dollars. In just seconds, it extends your 5-second video to 8 or 9 seconds. Now you see, it was 5 seconds, and now it's at 6, 7, 8, and 9 seconds. So you can easily combine 6 or 7 clips into a 1-minute video. If you use 20 to 25 pictures, you can easily generate a 2 or 3-minute video. With a little effort daily, you can create 5 to 6-minute videos and build a high RPM channel. One by one, I've shown you videos being created. So video is done. Next step, how do we generate audio? For that, there's no better tool than Runway ML. Previously, it gave 125 credits, but now it offers 500 credits. It used to require Gmail, but now it works with any email. I've made separate tutorials on how to log in, but simply log in with Gmail and get your 500 credits. Then come back to ChatGPT, paste your prompt, and say, please give me a script prompt-wise. It will provide you a script prompt by prompt. Copy each voiceover, go to the audio section, and pick a voice. There are many. Choose one that fits your niche. I picked one randomly. I copied each prompt. Debt stress, empty wallet, salary gone fast, one by one. So when I play the video, on the voiceover matches, I copied and pasted all voiceovers. 5 or 6 videos took just 30 to 40 seconds. It generated perfect audio. Download it. It's perfect. Now we have video and audio. Open CapCut, add your videos and audio. Once you've matched your video and audio in CapCut, you can fine-tune the pacing. If needed, click on the video and adjust the speed, either faster or slower, to match the voice perfectly. You don't need heavy effects. Keep transitions simple. In CapCut, use subtle transitions so it stays clean. Next, click on the video clips and add gentle animations. You can animate each clip individually or apply the same animation across all. After that, go to text and use the auto caption feature. Make sure the caption style is professional, not too flashy. I usually use white text on a black background for clarity. Once captions are set, watch the final video. Check how smoothly everything flows. Now take a moment to listen to the audio, watch the video, and if everything fits, you're done. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more. Thank you so much for watching.
Why is your wallet still empty? Salary comes in and disappears like magic. This one decision decides if you stay broke or get rich. The more you earn, the more you spend. That's the trap.